Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. If you are a physiotherapist and planning to work in Oman, then this video is going to save a lot of time. In this video, I'll explain step by step the eligibility criteria or requirements, Prometric exam details, total fees, DataFlow process, Viva exam after Prometric, and how to prepare for the exam, and last, the best way to find physiotherapy jobs in Oman. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also tell you the most effective method to get a job in Oman. First, let's talk about the step number 1, eligibility requirements. To apply for physiotherapy license in Oman, you need a bachelor's or DPT degree, minimum 2 years clinical experience, valid home country physiotherapy license and good standing certificate. If you have these 3 things, then you are eligible to start the process. Step number 2, Prometric exam details. Next step is the Prometric exam conducted for Oman Ministry of Health. Exam pattern includes 100 MCQs, 150-minute exam time. Passing score is 55 to 60%. And the MCQs mostly are the scenario based. So make sure to clear your concepts. Another important thing, your exam result is valid for 1 year. After passing the exam, you will also have a Viva interview from MOH Oman before license approval. Step number 3, DataFlow process. Now let's talk about DataFlow verification. You can do DataFlow either before the exam or after the exam. But my personal recommendation is first clear the exam and then start DataFlow. Because if you clear the exam first, your process becomes faster and easier. Step number 4 is fee. Now the most important question is about total fees. Prometric exam fee for Oman is $200 or 79 Omani Riyal. DataFlow verification fee is 90 Omani Riyal. So these are the basic fee requirements for the licensing process. Step number 5 is exam syllabus. Now let's talk about the exam syllabus. These subjects are very important for preparation. Histology, anatomy and physiology, neurophysiotherapy, kinesiology and biomechanics, musculoskeletal physiotherapy, electrophysical therapy modalities, cardiopulmonary physiotherapy, risk assessment and patient safety, physiotherapy in special populations, professionalism and evidence-based practice. If you prepare these topics well, you can easily pass the exam. Step number 6 is how to prepare for the exam. For exam preparation, we are providing updated exam material and coaching classes for preparation. If you need the material or coaching classes, you can contact us at given email that is also given in description box, hik_28@hotmail.com. On our channel, you will also find complete guidance about DataFlow process, exam booking, exam preparation tips, and how to book your exam. Step number 7 is after passing exam, once you pass the exam, your Prometric exam and your MOH Viva interview, then your license will be approved. After that, the next step is job hunting in Oman. Step number 8, best ways to find the jobs. These are the best platforms to find the physiotherapy jobs in Oman. LinkedIn, pet.com, Naukri Gulf, Indeed. But the most effective strategy is this. Go to Google and search physiotherapy clinics and hospitals in Oman. Make a list of them, then find their email or contact number and send your ATS-friendly resume, a strong cover letter. This method works much faster than just applying on job portals. Step number 9, salary in Oman. Average starting salary for physiotherapists in Oman is around 400 to 450 Omani Riyal per month. It may increase depending on the experience and workplace. Step number 10, Total time for the process. Usually, the total process takes DataFlow will take 1 to 2 months, exam preparation plus booking will take 1 to 2 months, license approval will take 1 to 2 weeks. So, overall process takes 2 to 4 months. I hope this video helped you understand the complete process of becoming a physiotherapist in Oman. If you still have any questions, write them in the comment section and I will reply. And if you want more videos about physiotherapy licensing exams, Gulf jobs, and career guidance, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other physiotherapists. See you in the next video.